These are the world's most destroyed Nike mags. If you're not familiar with the Nike mag, they became famous from the movie Back to the Future. And if you also aren't familiar, this sneaker goes for $20,000 to $25,000 in brand new condition, which clearly this is not. If you're not familiar with how they got into this condition, another YouTuber on the platform, Whistle and Diesel, actually used them as work boots and absolutely destroyed them. I then took it upon myself to fully restore one of the pairs to as factory condition as we possibly could. Even the lights work now. This literally was this shoe before. And that makes me wonder, what are these shoes worth in their current condition, fully destroyed? We have the original box, we have everything included. So today we're gonna answer that question by going to multiple sneaker stores and seeing what these stores offer if they were to take them in, stock them, and sell them in their own store. It's time to see if these $20,000 shoes are worth anything now. Let's head to some stores. Cool Springs Mall, 96 Kicks. We've come here a few times. We're taking the Nike mags there to get a value and see if they want to buy them. And I don't even know if they're gonna know this shoe, if they know Whistle and Diesel. So this should be interesting and see. If I get an offer over 5K, they're gone and this video is ending, but we'll see what happens. All right, we're back. We got something special. You recognize this box?
I don't recognize that box.
It's a big box.
I've never seen that.
So do you have any idea what this box is? You might be able to know from that.
I don't. I still don't.
Okay, open it up,
Crack
see if
it
you
open.
recognize them.
Ooh.
Jesus. Do you recognize anything
I do.
special about these shoes?
These are the ones you crushed. That's crazy.
These are the ones that Whistle and Diesel destroyed.
I never thought I'd be able to see this pair.
Yeah.
I watched the video. That was wild.
So this is the current state of them. We repaired these as much as we could.
So this one was looking like
Same,
this.
exact same.
Really?
Yep, and it's brought back, and the
Wow.
the lights even work on it. I think on the heel back there, they still
This
work.
is after it got crushed by
Yes,
that.
completely. So we're bringing these around because we want to figure
Yeah.
out if there's a value that you could put on these. If you would buy them, what would that price be? Because market on them is high, but
Market
this
is high,
this
yeah.
is not a normal pair of these. I feel like you
Got
got
a little mud on my hand.
Yeah, yeah. If you
Let's
want
see.
to check them out, check
Yeah.
online. We got the charging cable still.
There's some rocks in there.
This pair works. These, not sure. We even have a piece of paper from Whistle and Diesel in here
Okay.
that says that sorry he creased them. So we have that. I don't know if that adds to the value.
Can you try the lights here?
Those ones don't work,
Oh,
unfortunately.
they don't
They're
work.
actually gone.
Oh.
So the heel ones are there, but yeah, completely gutted.
Just lost all of this.
All that, yeah. There's the eBay authentication tag is still in here, if that helps.
So somebody like replaced everything on this? Yep. Okay.
They took actual mag parts and replaced everything.
Pretty much got started from scratch.
Yeah, basically.
Let's see what I got here.
Yeah, see,
This is like crazy. This is probably the craziest shoe that's ever walked in here. So.
I'm glad to hear that.
So is this 11?
This is an 11, yes. I don't know if the size tag's
still in there, still holding
It's
up.
still in there. There's just a little bit of oil in there.
Yeah. Brand new market, last sale's 21.
21, okay.
Yeah.
So maybe like 20?
I was thinking like 200.
200 bucks? Is that your best and final?
Honestly, just with, this one being cooked and just having to replace everything on it. It's still an Air Mag, so yeah, I'll probably be around 4,000 or 5,000.
4,000 or 5,000. That's actually not bad.
Yeah.
Do you have any idea what we paid for them?
Say 15.
I paid $4,500 for both pairs destroyed. Then I paid about $1,200 to repair just this one.
Okay.
So if I repaired both of them, I'd be sitting at around $7,000,
Yeah.
somewhere around there.
But if you repair both of them, I'm going to give you a way better price.
Exactly.
So,
So it depends if someone wants for the nostalgia. So
Exactly.
4,500, something to think about. I think that's a pretty good
if
offer.
this one was repaired, you could probably get up to like 8 to 10 on
8 to
it.
10?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, because this, for somebody who actually still wants a pair, I think
It's gonna wear them.
it's decent.
Yeah.
It's not great. When you look up close, it's not great. But it also was ran over by an excavator 200
It doesn't look
times.
like this, so.
Yeah, it doesn't exactly. Yeah. What about these rocks? Do they add any value? No.
Probably not. A couple cents maybe.
Offer number one was between $4,000 and $5,000. It's now making me wonder, should I repair both pairs and sell them? Because I could get some good money out of them.
What you got in?
Something fun for you to check
No
out.
shot.
So,
Is that what I think it is?
do you know this box?
That's a mag. No shot.
But these are a special pair of mags. Go
Okay.
ahead and take. We're trying to see what you value these at.
Ooh.
Do you have any idea?
One is cooked and one is clean.
So these were destroyed by Whistling Diesel. I don't know if you saw it. And this is a authentic pair. One was repaired. One
Do you
was
mind
clearly
if
not.
I?
Go for it.
Okay.
I mean, you can't do much worse than what's been done.
No, I'm not even gonna. Holy crap! I mean, this one is decent.
It's decent. So that one looked like this. And we got it fully repaired. and
You
fixed.
restored this.
Yeah,
Wow.
the lights work and everything.
Okay.
So the reason why I bring this by is we want to see what you value these at. With them being damaged like this.
I've seen them go for anywhere. I mean, new pairs are going for what, like 18?
20 up there, yep. In this state. Because this is why it's fun. Because
That's so tricky because someone's got to take the time to potentially renew all the material, clean it up, potentially replace some stuff.
Yep. Everything had to be fully replaced.
1 to
besides
2K max.
1 to 2K.
Max. I mean, right now.
Yeah, as
you
it
got
is.
you got to repair it, obviously, but I think someone would take the investment at like 1 to 2K.
Yeah. Because brand new 20, but clearly these are not brand new.
No.
Have you ever seen a shoe this destroyed?
That might be the most cooked. That is, oh my god. No, I might have to say like maybe one firm.
And then we have the authentication tags. So you know
I mean,
they're real.
this doesn't. It looks authentic to me. I mean,
They were real. I originally purchased them. They're real. And then he did this to them, and we fixed one.
that is so good.
I don't think any of them have ever been in this state before.
I'm gonna say in between 1 to 2K.
I think it's a fair offer because what do you do with these?
You invest a lot of time and you hope it comes out good.
They cost $1,000 to get them to this point to repair them from that. That's so you have to put another.
I wish I knew how to
1,000.
repair sneakers, otherwise I'd take them.
Yeah, right.
That's wild. Such a cool pair.
Between $1,000 and $2,000 is what I expected to get for offers, but we'll see if these other stores are matching up and are similar price range.
What does it say?
I don't know. Is it Max?
Okay, now I was gonna say it has to. I think you're right.
Yeah,
It's
Max.
So we
Yeah.
want to see what you guys value these at. They're a pretty unique pair and special pairs. So if you want to check the pair out. Have you seen these before?
I've only seen them at an event.
I've seen this one. I don't know about
So
that.
I don't know if you guys saw Whistling Diesel, the YouTuber, destroyed these shoes, an authentic pair, and we repaired one of them. And this
Oh,
is
you repaired that?
this is repaired, and this is before and this is after.
Wow.
And these are full authentic. They still have the eBay authentication tag here.
Well, whichever order you want to do the before and after, and you can.
Yeah. So,
Wow.
from what, if you guys have never seen the video, these were ran over by an excavator 1,000 times. They were dumped in car oil. They
Stepped
were
on a chainsaw.
stepped on a chainsaw. They were dipped in printer ink and absolutely destroyed.
Wow.
And
How
so
did
we
you
want to
guys-
see what you guys value in their current state at.
Like one clean, one dirty.
Yeah, as they are right now.
I mean that's a good.
So these
thought
are not
process.
bad as a repair from where they were. They're not as good as original, but they still look the part and they actually still function. So they still have all the lighting and everything.
Wow.
But everything was replaced with factory parts, actual parts. We use the same outsole, but this is all new stuff here. New heel cap, this is the same, and then this is replaced, but new electronic.
In this state, yeah, this is crazy. I can't believe you guys got it this clean.
I know, it took a lot of work.
Like
We had to-
I'm just amazed at that.
yeah, that's why we didn't repair the other one, because we wanted to have a before and after.
Yeah, like that's incredible.
I'm just trying to.
What do you guys think? What do you think they're worth?
They're
Maybe like
really
20K.
expensive, brand new.
This is BNDS probably.
The
I'm
BNDS.
gonna consider it that. They still got
It's
lights.
just
resale.
one of
Like,
them.
Worn
well,
once.
Yeah, one.
28,000 for a DS pair. So like,
Got free rocks with it too.
Rocks coming out of it.
We do have the original, everything original in here with the stickers that come with it, the verified tag there. It's been through a little
Wow.
bit.
What is
It's the
this?
piece of paper that he said he creased.
Sorry, I creased them.
we have the sole.
We did have the sole for that one, and it may be.
It should be in there somewhere.
We don't have it.
We have a
Oh,
box
actually, I have
full
it
of
at
spare
home.
parts and
I have
stuff.
all the original
Spare
parts at home.
parts.
There is literally spare electronics and all that. You can make an offer on one shoe.
I would make an offer on the dirty shoe.
Yeah. base the offer off that.
Well, you have to definitely consider this with that if you're making an offer for both, because then we would have to pay to fix this one up.
Well, tell them how much it costs to fix the one.
Yeah, so to repair that, without the flights for the guy, we had a specialist come out and do it. I think it was like $900 to repair this one back to that.
900?
So it'd be another 900 to get that one back.
So that's already a deduction.
The guy
That's
tried to convince me to
insane.
do both, but I was like, I like this, the contrast.
No,
of-
the contract is dope. I like that too. I'm glad you guys kept this.
I mean, if this
Did
one
you
could end up
find
looking
it
like that.
online?
I mean, yeah, they're
Flight Club
they're
DS 30
20
grand
racks.
20, I think 21K is last sale
on StockX.
on a brand new pair.
I
yeah.
want to look at a used pair if there are any.
The original, when I originally got these, they were 20 grand. That's how much I paid. Brand new, dead stock.
Oh, okay. DS on Go is 29,000. Not a used pair, but there's a used 12 for 16,000.
Okay.
No box. But I usually, if we can't find that size, I do try to base it a little bit upon it. And we can see this pair is pretty clean.
It's close. It looks actually pretty close to that one, I think.
Yeah.
Worn once.
Yeah,
This is like when my customers tell me to give them a quote and they say they worn it once and they come in and it looks
Just like that, yeah.
That's the tried on one shoe. Just tried on
Just
left
try
shoe.
on
So if those are valued at that,
at 16.
so would you value one shoe at
like divide
half
it.
of that? But
Like 8K for the
but
one.
then like, what can you do with one shoe? So then divide that by another half.
Okay, so 4 plus 8 is
No.
12K.
No.
Is that what you're
I
trying
would,
to say?
I would say like 4K.
That's worth 4K?
He's saying everything's 4K,
Everything's
right?
4K? I don't think so. I think you're
Am I
wrong.
too low?
Because this costs 900 to repair. So 4K plus 900 is $45,000 almost. So then that would be just like an incredible steal.
So let's
It
say
would
you bought these, you bought it like this. You repaired this one for 900. What would you sell them for if repaired?
We would have to sell them below the 16,000, I feel like. Maybe this is a crazy shoe. Maybe like you would
I think someone would
sell
buy them easy for 12.
12. That's like what I'm valuing.
Max
it.
for
12 to 14-ish. A little range.
I
So
mean,
then
if
4K
this one
is not a
could look
bad
like
deal. Like if you bought them for 4K, then put 1,000 in, and then you potential, let's say, end of the day, something makes an offer for 10. 5K profit, double profit. It's
Yeah.
not
I
bad.
mean, that would be great. But
So if you had to put a value, you'd say probably around 4K.
to buy them, I think that's too low.
Too low?
Personally, because
We're trying to get steals here.
I know, but
Too iconic of a shoe.
maybe like a little bit more, like 7.
7K. That's the best offer we've had so far.
What is your lowest offer and your highest?
Last one
offer?
was like 4,500.
Okay, that was like your offer.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say 5K. That extra
See,
100 we
I'm-
can.
I'm too nice.
Yeah.
But
I mean, it's an iconic shoe, but
it is. And honestly, with everything that it's been through, we could add a little more value to it.
exactly.
Oh yeah.
Part of me is like, do I repair it and then try to do like an actual auction and see what it goes for? I feel like that would be like wild for people to try to bid on that, but
Yeah, because it's been through it and then repair.
but when you guys see what this thing has been through,
Yeah, I have to see the
yeah,
video.
we gotta watch the video.
Alright, well that wasn't so bad.
That wasn't so bad.
so that's what
That's
these have been
crazy.
through. So for them to be in this state, to me, is a miracle.
It kind of gives it more value, honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
they're
because
kinda
they
famous.
went. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
They're famous. That's why I gave it the extra.
Yeah, let's see the views wise.
The
That's
extra. Yeah,
that
what
video's
is?
at 7.6 million views.
Okay, yeah. So that's what gives me the reasoning of the extra.
But with
extra
that
money.
note, now would you repair it or would you sell them like this? Now that you know that they're famous.
I mean, I would try both maybe. Try it like this first,
Then sell.
and
repair.
then see like if we get any nibbles or offers, and then if it's just like hell
Yeah.
no for people, then repair it. Put that
Makes
extra
sense.
1,000 in it.
What's your final offer?
Yeah.
My final offer.
How
Okay,
much?
I'll probably. Cause you were at
I,
4K.
I came
you're
up
at
a little
45.
bit. Yeah, I thought about it.
I was at 7. Maybe I'll go down to like 6.
So it's less now. Now what about you?
Yeah, I was gonna say 5.5. So yeah, 5.56.
Okay, now we're on the same page.
All right. Yeah.
Next
And now
we can
the
do-
reveal of how much I paid for them. Just both destroyed.
Oh, both destroyed.
4,500 bucks.
Oh, see, both destroyed.
Okay.
Then I put 1,000 into it. It'd be breaking even if I essentially sold them for 5,500. After a bunch of back and forth between the different people at the store, they end up in a similar range of $4,000 to $5,000, which is seeming to be a common occurrence for these shoes.
Scott Harrison.
I know you probably know this box.
I know what this is, yeah.
So we have a special, we want to get a price check and value on these.
Okay.
See what you think. Do you have any pairs of these in here?
No, we had a pair here a couple years ago, actually.
But this is a special pair.
It's a special pair.
It is, and I guarantee you haven't seen one that looks like this.
Okay.
So let's see what you think value-wise
Wow.
on these. Anything stand out to you on these?
This is, one's damaged and one's not? Or
Yes.
this is stripped down?
So these both were destroyed by another YouTuber. Completely, as you can tell. One was fully restored back to as much as we could, as good. We had parts replaced, the lights even turned on still. Everything was redone on this shoe with original parts. This pair is the before. So we want to see, in the current state of the pairs, what you think the price is, or what the value is on the shoe.
Just, if I were to say, you can probably just say, hey, we're only selling one shoe.
Yeah.
But what's the market price on this, like 26?
20, size 11 goes for about 20 right now.
Okay, cool. So I'll say that's probably worth 7,000.
7,000.
Yeah. What do you think?
For one shoe.
For one shoe.
And then
just because it's functional.
Yeah, exactly. Would you think that this is a pair that you would try to repair and get both?
I actually don't know who repaired this, but they have done a really, really good job.
Yep.
But
So the question would be, if we repaired both of them
yeah,
and they both look like this, what is the value then?
maybe 13,
13.
12, 11 grand. There's
Okay.
all kinds of debris in here, man. It's like
This
rocks
is
and-
everything. So you probably haven't seen what happened to these shoes, but these were utterly destroyed by another YouTuber. What I'm saying, ran over by an excavator 100 times, put in
Okay.
car oil, put in mud, literally anything put over, it was chopped up, like anything you could imagine was done to these shoes. And this is the current state of them. Repaired, I think it's pretty good.
Hey, I'll applaud whoever did the restoration job because this looks really good.
Yeah, especially electronics. Shout out Electro Kicks, we flew him out. The total cost for repair cost about $900 for one single pair.
That's not bad.
So we
So
did both
double
pairs.
that, double that next person. So
So-
he's gonna do this one for 900?
Yeah, we did the same, yep.
Oh wow.
So if you were to put right now, just you're buying the whole thing together. What's the price you're paying for it?
Probably like 12 grand.
12 grand for
Yeah.
everything right here.
Yeah, probably. I'll say so.
We still have the authentication
Yeah, I
tag
see that.
here. We have
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
We have everything original is still here. It's just a little bit damaged.
I mean, there's just the fact that there are rocks in here. I can't believe it.
We had to keep them in there for authenticity, you know.
Memento.
Yeah. Lowest offer was about $1,000. Highest offer was about $13,000, but it wasn't an actual buying, it was what he would pay. Now, if you want to see a full breakdown on what we paid for these and how much money we had into them and to get to this point, check out the video that's linked down below. We did a full price breakdown of purchasing to selling to repairing, everything about it. Check that out. What would you guys pay for these? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.